Next in Java, we are going to do polymorphism. So here in demo 7 package, I'm creating one class and naming this class as poly, and we want this main method in class. So this is our main method and this is our main class. And here I'm creating one more class and name of that class is add. So polymorphism is designing large number of functions with same name but with different internal arguments or return type. So within this add class, I'm creating three instance variable A, integer A, B and C. These are three instance variables, and here I'm creating one method of it type void, and name of that method is test. And here I'm initializing instance variable A with 10 and B with 20. And here we can put the addition of A and B. So A plus B, this is going to add these two numbers. Now we have created one test method, another test method I'm creating void test. And here I cannot put this bracket empty because at least something should be different. So here I'm passing one argument. So here I'm passing A. Now here I'm using this dot A equals to A to distinguish instance variable with this variable. I'm using this dot A. This dot A refers to this instance variable A equals to this A, this. And here we can see say B equals to here I'm saying B equals to A, and system dot out dot println, here we can say this dot A plus B. This is going to add these two numbers. Now here I'm creating one more method, and here I'm changing its return type to integer test. And here within this I'm passing two arguments, integer A comma integer B. And here I'm saying this dot A equals to A, and this dot B equals to B. And here we can say this is of type its return type is integer, so we have to return value, return this dot A plus this dot B. And so here we are closing this class, and in main method here we have to create object of this class. Name of that class is add. So add obj1 is the name of object equals to new add. And here I'm saying obj1 dot obj dot test. Save it, and this is the method calling with the help of this object, and this is going to call this first test method because here we haven't passed any argument and here we are not giving any argument. So it is going to call that first test method. Save it and run it. So it has printed 30. Now we have to call second method, that is single argument method. So obj dot test, and here as an argument I'm passing 5. Save. So what it is going to do, it is going to put this 5 in place of this A. Now 5 will be assigned to this dot A, and 5 will be assigned to B. Then addition we have performed here, so addition of these two numbers will be 10. It is going to print 10. So our first answer is 30 and second answer is 10. Third we are going to do, here we have taken return type to this method. So I'm declaring one more variable, name is R, and here I'm initializing R with 0, and here I'm saying system.out.println and here we can say R. So before printing this R, we have to R equals to, now name of our object is obj dot, method name is test, and here within this method we have to pass two integer type of arguments, integer a for and second for integer b. So here I'm putting 25 and 25, and second argument for is also 25. Save it and run it. So first it has printed 30, second is 10, and third is 50. So this was polymorphism.